Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the ink levels on your Epson XP-4155. This can be done directly from the printer itself using nothing but the buttons on the front of the machine. And this is obviously for seeing how much ink is left in any particular colour there, and to see which cartridge it's going to need changing next. So I'm going to use the arrow keys and OK on the right here to move myself along until we get to settings. And supply status is what we're looking for, which is the very first option. So we're going to press OK. And here you have a breakdown of black, yellow, magenta, cyan, the 4 ink cartridges used by your printer. If you needed a printed copy for proof of anything for a supplier, you've got an option on the bottom here. Just press OK. If you wanted to actually replace the ink cartridges, you've got an option here as well, and the printer takes you through the process nicely. If you're checking the supply status because of print quality issues you're having, you might want to check out our additional cleaning videos and printer test page videos, which are useful for diagnosing issues and hopefully pulling the colours through. But I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.